In round 5, start with 10 chain stitches. Yarn hook and pull through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. Finish 10 chain stitches in total. Ten chain stitches are done. Then turn, skip one chain stitch and start working from the second chain stitch. A chain stitch is a V shape, which has 2 loops. We'll work through the back loops of the chains, namely the left loops. Turn, skip the first chain stitch and work one slip stitch through the back loop of the second chain. Insert the hook into the back loop of the second chain. Yarn hook and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop through the original loop on the hook. That's one slip stitch. Then work one single crochet in the next chain. Insert hook into the back loop of the next chain, hook yarn and pull up loop. Yarn hook, pull through both loops. Then work 2 half double crochets. Yarn hook first. Insert the hook into the back loop of the next chain, hook the yarn and pull up loop. There are 3 loops on the hook now. Yarn hook and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. That's a half double crochet. Half double crochet. First, work 2 chain stitches. Turn over the fabric. We are going to work a half double crochet. Yarn hook and insert hook into the stitch. Through the underneath of the V, hook the yarn and pull up loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Okay. Yarn hook and pull through all 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. Work one more half double crochet in the same way. Yarn hook first. Insert the hook into the back loop of the next chain, hook the yarn and pull up loop. There are 3 loops on the hook now. Yarn hook and pull through all 3 loops. 2 half double crochets are done. Then work 3 double crochets. Yarn hook first. Insert hook into the next stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn hook and pull through the first 2 loops on hook. Yarn hook again and pull through the remaining 2 loops on hook. That's a double crochet. Double crochet. First, work 3 chain stitches. Okay, turn over the fabric. We are going to work a double crochet. Yarn hook. Insert hook into the stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn hook, pull through the first 2 loops on hook. There are 2 loops left on the hook now. Yarn hook, pull through the remaining 2 loops on hook. That's a double crochet. Work 2 more double crochets in the same way. Yarn hook first, insert hook into next stitch, hook the yarn and pull up loop, yarn hook, and pull through the first 2 loops on hook. Yarn and hook again, and pull through the remaining 2 loops on hook. Work 1 more double crochet. Then work 2 treble crochets. Yarn and hook twice. Insert hook into next stitch, and pull up loop. There are 4 loops on hook now. Yarn hook and pull through the first 2 loops. There are 3 loops left. Yarn hook and pull through the first 2 loops. There are 2 loops left. Yarn hook again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's a treble crochet. Treble crochet. First, work 3 chain stitches. Yarn 1 hook, pull it through the loop on the hook. Turn over the fabric. We are going to work a treble crochet. Yarn 1 hook twice. Okay. Insert hook into the stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. There are 4 loops on the hook. Yarn 1 hook, pull through the first 2 loops on hook. Yarn 1 hook, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn 1 hook again, pull through the remaining 2 loops on hook. That's a treble crochet. Work 1 more treble crochet in the same way. Yarn and hook twice. Insert hook into next stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn and hook, and pull through first 2 loops. Yarn and hook, and pull through first 2 loops. Yarn and hook again, and pull through the remaining 2 loops. 2 treble crochets are done. Then skip 2 stitches and work 1 slip stitch in the 3rd stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop through the second one. 1 calyx is done. Please refer to the same methods to make 6 in total. The second one. Work 10 chain stitches first. Turn, skip 1 chain stitch and work 1 slip stitch in the second chain. Insert hook into the second chain, hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop through the second one. Next, 1 single crochet. Then work 2 half double crochets. Yarn hook, insert hook into next stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then yarn hook and pull through all 3 loops. Work 1 more half double crochet in the same way. Then work 3 double crochets. Yarn hook, insert hook into next stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn hook, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn hook, pull through the remaining 2 loops. work 2 more double crochets in the same way. Then work 2 treble crochets. Yarn and hook twice. Insert hook into next stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn hook, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn hook, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn hook, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Work 1 more treble crochet in the same way. Skip 2 stitches and work 1 slip stitch in the 3rd stitch. In this position. The 2nd calyx is done. The 3rd one. Work 10 chain stitches first. Turn, skip 1 chain stitch and work 1 slip stitch in the 2nd chain. Next, work 1 single crochet. Then work 2 half double crochets. Then work 3 double crochets. Then work 2 treble crochets. Skip 2 stitches and work 1 slip stitch in the 3rd stitch. Please refer to the same methods to finish the rest 3 calyxes by yourself. Six calyxes are done. Break yarn, leaving a yarn tail of about 1 to 2 meters for future use. Yarn tail round hook and pull the yarn tail out. Tighten up. The large receptacle is done. Please refer to the same methods to make 1 more large receptacle.